I'm going to harvest a little salad for our lunch today, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. The only thing I'm lacking is tomatoes because I keep eating them before they ever make it into the house. So I know a lot of people have like these fancy baskets and different stuff they harvest with. I use my spaghetti strainer because I can just rinse everything right off. Pretty sure I don't have any tomatoes. This is my Everglades and my cherry tomatoes. I am waiting for you to turn red. I eat these pretty much as soon as I see them ripe. I still have quite a bit on the vine, but I eat them way too quickly. So unfortunately, our salad will have some store-bought cherry tomatoes, but the rest of it is here. I'll chop this up. These Swiss chard pieces here are a really great celery substitute, so I usually chop those off and then I save them in a little Ziploc bag, and you can eat them with blue cheese or ranch or however you like to normally eat celery, and they're really good. So I can't think of anything else in the garden. I wish I had some tomatoes. Oh, you know what? I'll probably grab a couple peppers. I'm debating on if I should take a bell pepper, but I'll probably just end up grabbing one of these. I have so many banana peppers and anchos. Maybe I'll take this one. It's really hard to do this one-handed. Got like a nice corking on it. I bet it should be really tasty. What do you think, bud? Any leftovers for you? Oh, I see you knocked down my paver and you left your toy out here. You're just in all kinds of things today, aren't ya? All right, well, we're gonna get going and enjoying the salad, preparing it, And then I've got to get, unfortunately, some store-bought tomatoes. I think I have a few cherries in there because I've been having to buy some just so we can have for our salads and whatnot, but aka disappointing cherries. So I've got a couple new varieties coming. I'm really excited. I'll share with you guys a couple heirlooms, more cherry tomatoes, of course, and a couple other varieties of seeds. So as soon as I get those in, I'll do another quick video. It's right here. I'll do another quick video and kind of go over those. Yeah, some roselle. I can't think. I buy too many seeds, guys. It's ridiculous. So you'd think I'd have like acres and acres and acres to grow stuff, but this just goes to show how much you can really grow on a small piece of property. I mean, we just have a normal size lot, if not smaller than normal, and I mean, we have a pool, so that takes up a lot of our space as well. But you know, just putting up a couple gardens and really completely, but a little bit is better than none. That's what I always tell anybody. Even if you can grow one type of herb for your garden, it makes such a world of difference with your food and with your cooking, and it makes you want to get out more and enjoy a lot of things. Like, I do not like peppers, but when I grow my own, I've really started to enjoy them more. Same with tomatoes. I do not like tomatoes, but the Everglades is like, oh, it's like such a treat for me. So I'm really excited to be trying a bunch of different heirloom tomatoes. I love cherry tomatoes. So yeah, it really does kind of awaken a lot of taste buds and makes you do a lot of things that try a lot of foods that you wouldn't normally try. Like Swiss chard is from the beet family, and I don't like beets. I think they're disgusting. And I love Swiss chard. I prefer Swiss chard and longevity spinach over regular lettuce. I just love it. I think it's so great. It has so much more flavor. Just cut it up really well, and it's so good. But anyways, with that being said, I'm gonna get that stuff inside, get started making a little salad for our lunch today. Probably hard boil up some eggs because we finally started getting some more eggs from the girls. Except for my poor little teriyaki. Breaks my heart. Anyways, guys, have a great day. Thanks for watching.